In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can connect an Xbox controller to a Steam Deck. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by starting on the home screen and just press the Steam button on the left hand side. And from here, you're going to want to scroll down and select settings just like so. Once you're in settings, scroll down on the left hand sidebar until you see Bluetooth. Select this and make sure Bluetooth is toggled on, and that means your Steam Deck is now going to be ready to pair. So grab your Xbox controller and press and hold the pairing button at the top of the controller and keep holding it down until the Xbox logo starts flashing. If the light isn't flashing, check your batteries and of course replace them if needed. The flashing light essentially means that the controller is going to be in pairing mode for you. But on your Steam Deck, look for the Xbox wireless controller, which I actually already have connected just like so in this available to pair option. Highlight it and then either tap on it with the touchscreen or just highlight it and hit A. Wait a few seconds, and if it doesn't connect immediately, try selecting it again. But once connected, the Xbox light should stop flashing and the Steam Deck will show it as connected. What I would also recommend doing is going back over to this left-hand sidebar and scrolling down to the controller settings, and of course adjusting those controller settings in here as well. You can customize your inputs as well as change button layouts. And before launching a game as well, I would recommend selecting the controller icon on the game page to customize the layout for that specific game. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.